In this module, we are going to discuss that how we can teach reading and writing independently. किस तरह से हम जो है वो बच्चों को independent कर सकते हैं reading and writing के अंदर. Basically, it's a progression of concepts कि किस तरह से step by steps हम sound से words की तरफ, sentences की तरफ और फिर reading की तरफ move कर रहे हैं. The discussion points of this unit is independent reading, reading comprehension, independent writing, and advanced spelling codes. In the advanced spelling code section, you're going to learn about teaching the methods and ideas of vowel alternative spellings. Alternative spellings वो spellings होते हैं जिसमें sound तो same रहती है लेकिन उनके spellings change हो जाते हैं. Okay, so first of all, have a look at the independent reading scheme. We are starting from little word books, then read and see, then orange level, then red level, then yellow, then green, then blue, and then purple. There is a very important thing that is particular about this reading stream. Many teachers and parents ask me that what is for grade 1, what is for grade 2. So the answer is this it is a reading scheme. If your child is able to read little word books, you can move to the read and see. If the child is reading this level, you can move to the orange level, then to red, then to yellow, then to green, then blue, and then purple. You cannot skip any of the level except this read and see. Little word books are very important as well, but still these are optional. So you can start from orange level, then move to the red, then yellow, then green, and blue and purple. So these are the additional ones. So if you are at the orange level, you cannot skip the red level and go to the yellow level, or you cannot skip the yellow level or go to the green level. First, you have to cover these reading schemes and then move to the other one. यहाँ पर एक चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ये रीडिंग स्कीम जो है ग्रेड वाइज नहीं है. ये रीडिंग कॉम्पिटेंसी के लिहाज से है और प्यूपिल बुक के लिहाज से है. जब आप प्यू बुक 1 यूज़ कर रहे हैं, यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस आफ्टर 18 साउंड्स orange level of the readers, and after completing pupil book 1, the child is supposed to complete level 1 of the readers. After pupil book 1, when the child is going through pupil book 2 and 3, the yellow level is expected. After pupil book 2 and 3 comes green level with the grammar range, then blue and then purple. So it's important to understand this. अब यहाँ पर ये चीज़ बहुत अहम है कि आप नर्सरी क्लास में एज 4 प्लस अगर आपका स्टूडेंट है और वो रेड लेवल कवर कर चुका है, you can also give your child pupil book 2 and yellow level. Again, if your child is 5 years old, the child has covered red and yellow level. Now he is ready for the green level. You cannot wait for another one whole year for the green level to give. So it's important to give all of the readers step by step. यहाँ पर एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि रीडर्स जो है वो 100% बच्चों के लिए. It's not like that you have to read and the child is reading after you. That is the method when you go and model the reading, but this is different. In this reading scheme, independent reading scheme, the child is given the storybook. The child is supposed to read on his own. The child is supposed to read the word, find tricky words, blend them, and look into the pictures for picture descriptions and reading comprehensions. If we look into the independent writing scheme, we can see that after the introduction of 42 letter sound, the child is able to make sentences with the help of the tricky words. So you can teach them how to write the word through dictation. You can teach them how to make words. Lesson plans are there in the Pure Book 2. Well, it's also important to check side by side because the amount of corrections after the child has submitted the work is not helpful. Timely feedback, instant feedback is very important, and the child need not to be discouraged with uh, lots of red marks on the notebook. For example, let's have a look at this sample. I went horse riding. That was fun. You can see that in this there are several mistakes over here. Um, we can see that E is not here, writing spellings are different, was is different. So we cannot expect 100% correction from the students when they are writing independent writing. इंडिपेंडेंट राइटिंग में बच्चे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स के स्पेलिंग्स नहीं जानते होंगे जो लिखना चाहते हैं. सो डू नॉट डिस्करेज देम विद लॉट्स ऑफ मार्किंग्स ऑफ मिस्टेक्स. So here we have got some activities for writing table or reading areas, and you can also find lots of activity ideas in your PDF section supplementary booklet. Now you are supposed to discuss your ideas in the blog sharing area and how can you teach reading and writing 100% independently. No cramming, no notification or copying the teacher. It's very simple. If the teacher is reading something on the board and the teacher is asking the children to read after the teacher has done the reading, then it is of no use because it's not the actual reading, independent reading. Basically, it is copying the teacher. So, if we look into the advanced spelling codes in Jolly Phonics Book 2 and Jolly Phonics Book 3, we would be able to understand there are lots of alternative spellings and advanced spelling codes and sentences. For example, in Book 2, you can see that there are spellings, and when you are teaching them and you are looking into the teacher's book, you would be able to find the lesson plans of teaching these alternative spellings. So you see that the sound is same, or but the spellings are different. The spellings are or as in yawn, or as in autumn, or as in chalk. And here we have got words and sentences, and it is compatible with the read level of the reader story mode form, I guess. In the Pupil Book 2, we have got lots of words with magic spelling. We teach students that when we have got a three-letter word with a vowel inside, we are going to make this vowel long while adding a magic key at the end. Magic key sound जो है बहुत important है, और magic key sound का जो song है, you can also have fun with the magic key song with the students. So let's have a look at some of the vowel rules over here. Short vowels having short vowel sounds. So this is the short vowel clock. And again, you can see that we have got Y over here as well. For example, happy. In happy word, we have got Y at the end instead of E. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It's very famous rule. Two vowels go walking, the first one's name is coming in the sound like A. I is very shy, so the toughy Y takes its place. I की जो जगह है happy, the I की जगह पर E आ रहा है. When K and G are followed by L, E, I, E and Y, they change their sounds. City. ख जो है जब आई के साथ आ रहा है तो उसकी जो साउंड है वो स हो गई है. इसका ग जैसे वेजिटेबल जब हो जाएगी उसकी साउंड. डबल ट्रबल, इस तरह के जो वर्ड्स हैं उनमें लेटर्स 2 टाइम्स आ रहे हैं, बट यू आर गोइंग टू से देम ओनली वंस. वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट दे आर एक्सेप्शन ऑफ द रूल्स. कुछ रूल्स की एक्सेप्शन भी होती है. समटाइम वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो रूल्स के ऊपर फॉलो नहीं आ रहे होते, वो डिफरेंट होते हैं. बट अर्ली स्टेजेस में बच्चों को इतनी ज़्यादा डिटेल्स नहीं बताते, बट दीज आर डिटेल्स आर फॉर द टीचर्स ओनली. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब आप लॉन्ग वॉल एंड शॉर्ट वॉल्स को अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं तो उसके बाद ही वॉल ऑल्टरनेटिव्स का जो लेवल आता है. बट लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट वॉल्स की जो इंपॉर्टेंस है वो ख़त्म नहीं होती, बल्कि हम बार बार इनको रिवाइज करवाते हैं डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ से, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट वॉल हैंड एक्टिविटीज़ से, कंपेरिजन से, सॉर्टिंग एक्टिविटीज़ से. So if two owls go walking, the first one does the talking. This is your assignment that you can upload, you can solve, and you can share your ideas. If you have any questions, you can ask, you can post it. Thank you.